The Rocky Mountains, a vast spine of stone and ice. Jagged peaks pierce the clouds, emerald forests blanket slopes, crystal clear rivers cut through valleys. This is a land of raw beauty, a land of breathtaking scale. The Canadian Rockies are a world unto themselves, isolated, pristine, home to creatures found nowhere else on Earth. These mountains whisper tales of resilience. They speak of the power of nature. This is where we meet the grizzly, the undisputed king of these peaks. The grizzly bear, a symbol of wilderness, a creature of immense power. Its thick brown fur blends seamlessly with the landscape. Muscles ripple beneath its coat as it moves with surprising agility. Grizzlies are omnivores. Their diet is varied as the landscape they inhabit. Berries, roots, and grasses sustain them, but they are also skilled hunters. Salmon, elk, and even insects become meals. Their claws, several inches long, are formidable tools, used for digging, for defense, for tearing into prey. Their sense of smell is legendary. They can detect food buried deep underground or hidden miles away. The grizzly's life is a cycle of feasting and fasting. They must consume vast quantities of food to prepare for the long winter hibernation. Their very survival depends on the health of this ecosystem. Grizzlies share these mountains with a cast of equally fascinating characters. Black bears, smaller and more agile, often cross paths with their larger cousins. Competition for resources can be fierce. Wolves in packs challenge grizzlies for dominance. Elk and deer graze in the meadows, ever wary of predators. Mountain goats scale dizzying heights, their hooves clinging to sheer rock faces. This is a delicate dance of predator and prey, a web of life where each creature plays a vital role. The grizzly at the top of the food chain is a keystone species. Its presence or absence has ripple effects throughout the ecosystem. The grizzly's impact goes beyond its predatory role. Their digging unearths nutrients, enriching the soil. Their leftovers provide sustenance for scavengers. Their presence shapes the behavior of other animals, influencing their movements and feeding patterns. But the Rockies are more than just bears and wolves. Look closer, listen, the air hums with life. Sprightly pikas whistle from rocky outcrops. Marmots bask in the sun, their calls echoing through the valleys. Wildflowers paint the meadows in vibrant hues. Delicate orchids bloom in hidden nooks. Towering trees, some centuries old, stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time. Waterfalls cascade down sheer cliffs, their roar a constant reminder of nature's power. Glaciers, remnants of the last ice age, carve their way through the mountains, shaping the landscape. This is a world of stark contrasts, of rugged beauty and delicate life. A world where survival is a daily struggle and where every creature, from the mighty grizzly to the smallest insect, plays a vital role. It is our responsibility to ensure that this wild place remains untouched, for future generations to marvel at, to learn from, to cherish.